In the ever-evolving world of smartphones, Apple has built its reputation on innovation, performance, and user experience. Over the years, the iPhone has become a benchmark for mobile technology, but Apple hasn't limited itself to just premium-priced models. Enter the iPhone SE series, a lineup that has consistently delivered excellent value at an affordable price point. Today, we're going to dive into the latest and greatest from this lineup, the much-anticipated iPhone SE4. The iPhone SE4 represents a significant departure from its predecessors when it comes to design. For years, the SE series retained a more classic appearance, appealing to those who appreciated the feel of earlier iPhone models like the iPhone 8. However, the SE4 is set to modernize this budget-friendly line, introducing a sleeker and more premium design that brings it closer to Apple's flagship models. According to recent leaks and renders, the iPhone SE4 is expected to feature an all-screen design, eliminating the thick bezels and home button that were characteristic of previous SE models. One of the most talked about features of the upcoming iPhone SE4 is its rumored shift from LCD to OLED display technology. OLED displays provide deeper blacks, sharper contrasts, and more vivid colors, significantly improving the visual experience whether you're browsing, streaming, or playing games. Now let's talk about performance. While the iPhone SE models have traditionally been more affordable, Apple hasn't skimped on performance. The iPhone SE4 is expected to follow suit by packing serious power under the hood. Apple is known for delivering exceptional camera performance, and the iPhone SE4 will be no exception. While the previous SE models featured a single rear camera, the SE4 is rumored to come with a dual camera setup, similar to the iPhone 13. This upgrade will provide users with more versatility when capturing photos and videos. The primary camera is expected to be a 12-megapixel sensor, capable of capturing high-quality photos even in low-light conditions. With 5G networks becoming more widespread, the iPhone SE4 is set to fully embrace this technology. While the SE3 was the first budget iPhone to offer 5G support, the SE4 is expected to improve upon this by offering faster speeds and better network compatibility. One of the areas where budget smartphones often fall short is battery life. However, the iPhone SE4 is expected to provide solid battery performance that lasts throughout the day. Early rumors suggest that Apple will include a slightly larger battery in the SE4, along with software optimizations powered by the A15 Bionic chip to ensure longer battery life. With models likely starting at 64 gigabytes, the SE4 will also offer 128 gigabytes and 256 gigabytes options for those who need more space for apps. Pricing is likely to start around $429, making it an attractive option for those seeking a premium smartphone without the premium price tag. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe,